In this video we are going to learn about creating a revolved component from a sketch. We talk a lot about direct modeling, but Designer does also have comprehensive sketching tools. Let's take a closer look. Using the line command, we can create the outside profile. Start by clicking on the datum work plane to set the start position. When you move the mouse away, you will see there are modifiers which allow you to enter a value. Set the length to 100 millimeters to create a vertical line. Move the cursor to the right and create a horizontal line 50 millimeters. You can also directly input point coordinates. Hover over the datum work plane and you will see the option to insert XYZ coordinates. This can be done from any reference point when using the enhanced pick filter. Enter 50,75 and hit enter. The line will be created. Move the mouse to the right to create a horizontal line 25 millimeters long. If the mouse is moved at an angle, you will get more input options. Using the tab key, you can move from one to another. Set the angle at 30 degrees and the horizontal length at 30 millimeters. Next, create a vertical line to a specific diameter. By hovering over the datum work plane, you can wake up the X and Y axis. You can then move the cursor to the right and snap to the Y0. Position the cursor under the previous endpoint and it will snap to a vertical line. You can now enter coordinates for the endpoint. 0,25 in this example. Create another horizontal line 20 millimeters long. Snap to the Y0 as before by hovering over the datum to wake the axis. And finally snap back to the datum to finish the profile. You will see that you have created a closed region which is highlighted. This can be switched on and off with the icon at the bottom of the graphics window. Now to create the hole and counterbore through the center. The rectangle function is also very useful. Set the creation method to select 2 points and the application point to Y-axis edge center. Pick the datum and move the mouse away to add the relevant values. In this case 25 in the X and 100 in the Y-axis. Hit enter after each definition. Then for the whole, do the same, but the value should be 150 in the X and 25 in the Y-axis. There is no requirement to trim the lines, as we have now created a number of closed regions. We can simply revolve the relevant region we require. Use the revolve command, pick the region, click on center of rotation and pick a relevant point. Finally, pick the axis to revolve around. You can pick a line or the work plane axes or use the options in the top left hand corner. We will use full rotation for this example. The wireframe is now redundant. It can be hidden or deleted from the layer structure tree. Let's finish by making some edits to the radius of any of the cylindrical faces. Use Edit Radius. Pick the face to modify and define the new radius.